So here you have the all-day dining Café Jeanne, where the clients have breakfast, lunch, and dinner. At the end you have Michelin-starred restaurant, so 1-star Michelin-starred. So this is the terrace of the Café Jeanne. So in summer you have Mediterranean style terrace.
Now winter.
Yes, now winter, but it's coming to summer. In winter we put chalet, so it's a small house, you know, like the mountain houses, where you can have private dinner inside. So this is very nice for the client. They can privatize the small house and have a raclette dinner. So I don't know if it's available.
Pur. What does it mean?
I'm sorry?
Pur. What does it mean?
Pure, it means pure.
Ah, pure.
Yes. So this is the Michelin-starred. It's 1 year and it has been refurbished 1.5 years ago, so it's quite new. So here you have one Michelin star. It's open only on the evening, and it's closed on Sunday and on Monday. So you have the open kitchen, so the clients can see on the other side of the kitchen.
Sure.
So you are based in Russia.
Yes.
You have other agencies in the world.
Yes. Okay, so what's the next?
So now we're going to
Oh,
see.
bar. Oh, Да, бар, beautiful.
I'm sorry?
Bar.
Yes, this is the bar.
Very beautiful.